What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about
why we do promoted listings.
So we got a whole video lined up, so we hope you guys enjoy. Cut this intro, we'll be right back. I gotta stop saying that. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple, so if you guys are new to this channel, you should definitely consider subscribing. We do daily content of thrifting, eBay, so you should definitely check it all out. So, today's video is going to be short and quick guys, so we don't want to waste any of your time. We're going to be talking about promoted listings. Kristina got a whole video, so let's go.
Yes, alright. The reason why we do promoted listings is that it helps your listing get seen more. So basically by promoting it, you are paying eBay a small fee for them to promote your listing higher. Okay, so some of our listings we have at 1% and then some of them we have at 3 to 5%. So for our listings at 1%, the benefit that you get from that is basically you'll have 2 listings. And by that I mean you'll have a sponsored listing that's shown higher in the search results, and then you'll have your regular listing that's not sponsored. So if someone were to scroll all the way down and miss your sponsored listing but then click on and buy your regular listing, you wouldn't have to pay the fees for that. So that's pretty cool, but you want them to kind of see your higher up listing. So yeah. And then the items that we have at the 3 to 5%, we've seen Instagram ads, we've seen higher listings and more listings shown. So it really just does help your listing get more exposure out there and just on different platforms for people to be able to see your item and be like, oh, I kind of want to buy that. Yeah. You know, so that's where we've seen it. We've seen a lot, just better sales from that. Like even though we are paying a small fee, we like to factor in those fees into our prices. Yeah. So if I'll list something at $35, I'll go and check the fee or like how much it'll cost on the bottom by raising up the promoted percent. So if I wanted to list it as 10%, that would be $3.50. I would go up to the buy it now price and put that as $38.50 by factoring in those fees. And then I know I can somewhat get around what I wanted with the $35 rather than losing out an extra $3.50 on that. So that's really cool, and yeah, that's really why we do promoted listings, is just for more exposure. And even though you are paying fees, you're not losing out really on that much money, because 1% of your items like cost literally like $10, that would be a penny. So it's not, or 10 cents.
So you guys can promote your stuff. We've been promoting it, we've been having great sales, so we suggest to promote your stuff. But that was our video. It was nice, short and sweet, so we didn't waste any of your time, guys' time. So make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any love for us. And until next video, till tomorrow, peace guys.